Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are using Citrix Workspace and keep getting a Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime Initialization error, it is almost always because Citrix's internal security hooks are actively blocking the background browser process. I will show you exactly how to whitelist the WebView2 executable in your Windows Registry to fix this issue right now. Let's get started. First, we need to access your system's registry to tell Citrix to ignore the Edge WebView2 process. Click your Windows search bar, type REGEDIT, right-click on the Registry Editor app, and select Run as Administrator. It is always a good idea to click File and Export to create a quick backup of your registry before making any changes. Next, we are going to add a specific exclusion string. Navigate through the folders on the left side to HKey Local Machine, then Software, then Citrix, and finally, click on the CTX Hook folder. Once you click on the CTX Hook folder, look on the right side of the screen for a string value named ExcludedImageNames. Double-click it, and at the very end of the value data text box, type a comma followed exactly by Edge WebView2.exe. If you are on a 64-bit system, you must repeat this exact same process inside the WOW6432 node, Citrix, CTX Hook, and CTX Hook 64 folders as well. Finally, we need to ensure the Citrix WebSocketService also allows the runtime to communicate. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the WebSocketService folder located under your Citrix directory. Find the process whitelist multistring value on the right, double-click it, and type Edge WebView2.exe on a brand new line. Click OK, close the Registry Editor, and completely restart your computer. Your Citrix Workspace application will now successfully initialize the Edge WebView2 runtime without throwing an error. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.